What's going on with Mullen Automotive?
Let's go! Subscribe below if you trade this one and let's get started and see what is happening right now in Mullen. Very interesting today, minus 6% in just the first couple of hours. The price continues going lower right now. So what can we expect? Let's do our technical analysis as usual and risk management.
Yeah, technical analysis doesn't look good at all. We are trading and making new lows every time. So when we're making new lows, we don't exactly know when the price will rebound. It's like trying to catch a knife falling to the ground. So I will wait, for a breakout, like something like this. As long as we are experiencing this downturn, I will wait for it. If we see a breakout, then you can buy it. That's the only point you can choose to find a buying opportunity.
Yeah, I think that the rest is just like trying to catch the knife in middle air. You can do it, but you can also fail. And if you wait for that breakout, you will have like a confirmation. It doesn't mean like the price will reverse. It could be a false breakout, or we could see the price going up a little bit and then going down again. But it is much better from the technical analysis perspective than just buying right now because the price is dropping. And let's see what happened, because I think that looking at the past, we can kind of predict the future, in trading. This is what we do with the analysis. We had this very bullish movement in October the 19th to the upside. We had from 0.21 to 0.60, a very big movement indeed.
Yeah, actually, we can
But
replay what happened. Let's use the
yeah,
replay tool. So now we are experiencing, we're watching what happened. Like the price rebounded like crazy, but then a breakout happened, something near 0.60, and then that finished. That move finished, and the downturn start to take into place, and making all traders get the hell out of there in time. Those who didn't, they are experiencing minus almost 60%, 70%. This is what happens with penny stocks. There is a lot of risk involved.
yeah, the potential to the upside sometimes is huge, but also the risk involved is very high. So that's why we always recommend multiple entries, diversification, and risk management. And in this case, we had a lot of trades where we could have exited. Let's look at them because this is interesting, for the next opportunities that we have. We had the first breakout right here happening. It was a very, very signal indeed. Then we had this long-term trading trend line also broken out. Then we had this one. I think this was very important because there was the opportunity to like reverse the price to the upside. We were looking there. We were expecting some bullish pressure, and it didn't happen. And then again, the second try was even smaller.
Yeah, the last
And
one was like a very dramatic signal of, okay, get the hell out of there. If that in that particular moment, it's like now or never, and it didn't happen.
yeah, exactly. It was the key moment to start buying, and they didn't do it there. We had the gap to the downside, then another opportunity of the price trying to bounce, another signal there, but then the price broke out, another retest, and the next level the same. And right now we are in land of no one, because here we don't have another support, and that's why we recommend to wait for that breakout to happen, because you can't guess where the price will bounce. Maybe at 0.18 because it's like psychological level, maybe 0.15, but you never know. That's why we recommend, if you can intraday, the better, but always that breakout to happen to have that signal.
Yeah, I think MULN is going to fall like 6% more at this point, and it's very bearish, so we don't have any reason to buy, and no one is doing that at this particular moment, so the price keep will falling.
Yeah, and I would like to add that this is why it's important to not have a bias, because we always say that the price, it doesn't matter if you are like a fan of the company or not. This is not about that. This is just technical analysis. And if you believe that the price can go down or can go up, that this, we always say this, I know it's obvious, but a lot of people just think that the price can only go one way, and that isn't true. And if you only thought the price could go up, all these opportunities that you got, like to get out of the market, maybe you were adding positions, and the opposite happened. So if you believe that the market could go up or down, you could have managed risk there. That's why we always recommend to not have any bias, just technical analysis and act from what is happening in the market.
Okay, so we have a video here on the right. Keep following us, guys, and welcome to Human Traders.
Welcome and thank you.
With Moldavian accent.
Yeah.